So you've booked that dream trip, packed your bags, and you're ready to take on the world. But wait, before you jet off, let's dive into some travel tips that even the most seasoned globetrotters might not know. These tips will change the way you travel, and trust me, after this, you'll never look at your suitcase or your security line choices the same way again. Tip 1. Photograph your rental car. First up, let's talk about rental cars. You know that feeling when you hand back the keys and suddenly the rental agency is pointing out a scratch that wasn't there before? Yeah, no one needs that stress. Here's a pro move. Whip out your phone and take a video of the car before you even drive off. Get those angles. Yes, even that weird one under the bumper. You'll have a solid alibi when they try to pin that pre-existing ding on you. Think of it as your very own travel insurance, minus the paperwork. Tip 2. Use Google Maps offline. Ever been lost in a foreign city with no Wi-Fi and even less patience? Welcome to the club. But fear not, because here's a travel guide hack that's pure gold. Download Google Maps for offline use. It's like having a personal travel guide in your pocket, except it doesn't complain when you ignore it. Just download the map of your destination before you leave your cozy Wi-Fi bubble, and boom, you're ready to navigate like a local, even when your data plan has betrayed you. Tip 3. Bring a universal plug adapter with USB ports. Nothing screams rookie traveler like arriving in a new country and realizing your charger doesn't fit the outlets. But we're not here to judge, just to save the day. The ultimate travel essential? A universal plug adapter with USB ports. Not only does it let you plug in pretty much anywhere, but with those extra USB ports, you can charge all your gadgets at once. That's right, no more fighting over the one outlet in the hotel room. You'll be charging your phone, your tablet, and your travel guide all at the same time. Efficiency level expert. Tip 4. Mark your luggage as fragile. Here's a sneaky little trick for all you luggage warriors. Mark your bags as fragile. Now I know what you're thinking, but my socks are anything but fragile. Doesn't matter. The point is, baggage handlers will treat your suitcase like it's filled with Fabergé eggs, meaning it's more likely to be placed on top of the pile and, better yet, be one of the first to pop out on the carousel. You'll be out of the airport and on your way to adventure while everyone else is still waiting for their bags. Tip 5. Choose the left security line. Let's talk airport security, where patience goes to die. But what if I told you there's a way to speed things up? Pro tip, choose the left security line. Research, and by research, I mean me watching people at airports, shows that most folks are right-handed and naturally gravitate to the right. So while they're all standing in the longest line known to man, you're breezing through on the left, practically waving at them as you pass by. You're welcome. Tip 6. Email yourself important documents. Okay, so you're halfway across the globe, sipping a pina colada, when you suddenly realize you've lost your passport. Panic mode, right? Not so fast. If you followed this next solo travel tip, you've got nothing to worry about. Before you leave, email yourself copies of all your important documents. Passport, itinerary, insurance details, the works. That way, if disaster strikes, you can pull up a digital copy from any computer or smartphone. Crisis averted, and you can get back to that pina colada. Tip 7. Book your flight midweek. We all know the feeling of searching for flights and wondering why they're priced like gold bullion. But here's a little secret for my budget travel tip enthusiasts. Book your flights on a Tuesday or Wednesday. Airlines tend to release their new fares early in the week, and by midweek, the prices have dropped to lure in bargain hunters. You'll save money, and that means more cash for important things, like more pina coladas. Tip 8. Use ATMs for local currency. Traveling to a new country often means dealing with currency exchanges that seem designed to fleece you out of your hard-earned cash. But here's a hack straight out of the Budget Travel Tips playbook. Skip the exchange counters and hit up an ATM instead. You'll get a better exchange rate, and you won't feel like you've been robbed before you even get a chance to lose your wallet. Plus, you'll be spending like a local, and who doesn't love that? Tip 9. Pack a power strip. If you're anything like me, you travel with more gadgets than a spy in a Bond movie. But have you ever tried charging them all in a hotel room with exactly one outlet? Nightmare. Enter the humble power strip, your new best friend. This travel packing tip ensures you can plug in all your devices at once, and bonus points if it has surge protection. Now you're not just a traveler, you're a well-prepared traveler. Tip 10. Secure your room with a door stopper. For those of you staying in budget accommodations or just feeling a little paranoid, this one's for you. Pack a small, portable door stopper in your travel essentials. It's a cheap, easy way to add an extra layer of security to your room, especially if the lock on the door looks like it's seen better days. And hey, peace of mind is priceless, right? Tip 11. Turn on incognito mode for flight searches. Ever notice that the more you search for a flight, the higher the price gets? It's not just your imagination, those sneaky airlines are tracking you. But there's a way around it. Use incognito mode when you're searching for flights. This little travel guide gem keeps your search history a secret, so those prices stay as low as they should be. It's like having a superpower, only this one saves you money. Tip 12. Use shower caps to cover shoes in your luggage. Here's a travel packing tip that's both brilliant and bizarre. Use shower caps to cover your shoes in your luggage. Yes, those flimsy clear caps you find in hotel bathrooms. They're perfect for keeping the dirt on your shoes from mingling with your clean clothes. Plus, they're lightweight, reusable, and cost next to nothing. Who knew that something so simple could be so useful? Tip 13. Bring a reusable water bottle with a filter. Staying hydrated while you travel is essential, but buying bottled water all the time, not so much. Enter the reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. It's the travel essential you didn't know you needed. Fill it up anywhere. Airport fountains, questionable taps, even streams if you're feeling adventurous. And drink with confidence. You'll save money, reduce plastic waste, and always have clean water on hand. Plus, you'll look like a total travel pro. Tip 14. Ask for hotel upgrades politely. When it comes to accommodations, it never hurts to ask for a little something extra. And I mean literally ask. Politely, of course. Whether it's a room with a better view, a larger bed, or even a late checkout, a simple request might just get you an upgrade, especially if you mention you're celebrating something special. This travel guide tip costs nothing and could turn a good stay into a great one. And if they say no, well, at least you tried. Tip 15. Carry a portable luggage scale. There's nothing worse than getting to the airport, checking in your bag, and finding out it's over the weight limit. Cue the frantic reshuffling of items, the embarrassment, the extra fees, but not if you've got a portable luggage scale. This little device lets you weigh your bag before you leave for the airport, so you can avoid any last-minute surprises. It's one of those travel essentials you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.